In today's video, let me show you how to fix Headspace app not opening on your Android device. Now, the immediate troubleshooting steps that you can do is, first of all, try to restart your device. Sometimes your phone has glitches, so once you restart your device, you should be able to fix this issue. If the issue is still not fixed, then you can try out to clear the cache and data of the Headspace application. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, as well as tap on clear data. This might remove some of the settings and files from your database of Headspace, but once you complete this step, you should be able to fix this issue. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues, then what you'll need to do is uninstall and reinstall the app of Headspace. So just uninstall the application, head over to the Play Store or the App Store, and then try to re-download it. Downloading applications or updating to the latest version helps to solve any sort of bugs which might be causing this issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Headspace app not opening on your Android device. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.